One. Okay, same spot. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. 7. 8. 9. Last shot. 10. Now, this. No. Make sure y'all can see. Back up a little bit. Now we're gonna do the Shockwave. All right. Shockwave with a scope. My boys, that's Lord on the left side. Woo! This one hit a little harder because of the little inch of the barrel. So that's 1. Woo! 2. And take a little longer to reload, but powerful. And I think it's a little more accurate as I shoot, because as you can see, I was freestyling on both of them, and I'm hitting dead on with this one. Okay. Ooh, broken. That power. I forgot what shot I'm on, but I know I did about 4 shots. Ooh, same hole. We broke them, y'all. This shit is powerful. Got a whole entrance against the Shockwave 1 on this one because of the accuracy, and the same shot placement is key. Alright? Same shot placement is key. Ooh. Okay. Almost done. I got 3 shots left. This is shot